Hi, my name is David Alfonso. I am a board-certified plastic surgeon specializing in cosmetic surgery. There's so many aspects of Nextech that have improved our practice. From the minute that the patients walk in the door, we've had opportunities in our Nextech system to actually have them do an online portal for medical evaluation, which can help streamline the process of the consultation, so that during the consultation it allows me to focus on the topics that they've written down, and then spend more time on the actual consultation regarding the surgery and questions that they have versus going through a long, detailed medical history. We try and balance giving the patients an excellent experience and top-notch, care as well as attention, but also realizing that in order to be productive, we need to be efficient. And having the data available in Nextech as well as patient management, both in the surgery center as well as in the clinical side, allows us to make the patient experience streamlined and focus mostly on what's important to them, and that is the surgery and the outcomes. My partner and I take call for our office over the weekends, and we alternate, and so I'm out and about doing things. Having the Nextech app is very user-friendly. It's easy on your smartphone. When I get called from a patient, I literally can look up their chart from my phone. I can see what surgery was done, what procedure was performed, what was the last note that was in terms of their visit. So it really helps to allow me to get a good picture of what's going on with the patients, and I found that that's been a really neat feature. The ability to run reports and do deep dive into data analysis of our patients has really been extremely helpful. This wasn't possible prior to using Nextech. It was very rudimentary, and it was just, you would have to dig into much more sort of antiquated database of the practice to look and see what the conversion rate was or what the financial productivity was from month to month. With Nextech, we've been blessed that we have great support as well as a well-functioning EMR product. One area that jumps out to me is organization in the ambulatory surgery center of our office in terms of op notes and getting those operative notes loaded into the system so that once they're there, they can be utilized and not have to be rewritten every time you do the same surgery. So it helps us to figure out where are our marketing dollars being spent and how are they being spent. Are they being spent wisely in an area that seems to be productive in terms of producing good consults and patients, or are we seeing that we're spending money in a certain aspect of marketing, but it doesn't seem to be bringing the patients through the doors? Our conversion rate is higher in almost every category than what we would, what the companies that do analysis of practices constitute, I would say, is the industry average. And I think that Nextech definitely plays a role in that in terms of the efficiency and the ability to track patients. So Nextech helped me by making my practice more efficient, flowing more smoothly, and allowing me to see more patients in the same amount of time and take less work home each evening.